This is a tutorial for Trimble SiteVision. For more information on this product, visit sitevision.trimble.com or contact your local dealer. Welcome to this setup tutorial for using SiteVision with the Trimble HPS2 handheld positioning system. This video will cover the components of the system, assembling the system, attaching the magnetic mounting plate to your device, setting up the mobile app, and connecting your mobile device to the receiver. In addition to the main receiver handle, your HPS2 comes with 2 magnetic device mounting plates, a pole mount bracket, a wrist strap, a sunshade attachment, a battery charging kit, and 2 batteries. This section will go over how to assemble the handheld positioning system. Before using your HPS2 for the first time, you should fully charge the 2 batteries using the provided charging kit. A full charge may take up to 6 hours. To assemble the receiver handle, first remove the battery cap by twisting counterclockwise. Then insert one fully charged battery with the flat negative end first into the base of the handle and replace the battery cap by twisting clockwise. You can now turn on your HPS2 by pressing the small rectangular power button located just below the receiver. This button also shows the status of the system. A solid green or blue light means that the battery charge is good. A flashing red light means that the battery charge is low. A solid red light means that the battery is completely flat. You can attach the wrist strap by threading the smaller loop through the base of the handle and then pulling on the main wrist strap to tighten. You may also optionally click the sunshade attachment into place around the top edge of the receiver. This section will go over attaching the magnetic mounting plate to your device. We recommend attaching the mounting plate via a rugged phone case such as an OtterBox. To ensure that the handle does not obscure the camera feed, a minimum separation of 1.25 inches or 3 centimeters is recommended between the center of your phone's camera and the top edge of the mounting plate. Carefully peel off the backing paper from the plate. Make sure that the plate is straight, with the edges aligned parallel to the edges of the phone, and then press the plate firmly in place. You should wait at least 1 hour before use to ensure secure adhesion. You can now easily snap your device into place on the HPS2 handle. This section will go over downloading and setting up the mobile app. Download the Trimble SiteVision app from your phone's application store. The app is available for both iOS and Android. Please grant the system permissions requested by the app and take a moment to read through the terms and conditions. When logging into the app for the first time, you will need to be connected to the internet. You can then sign in using your subscribed account. Remember that for your safety, it is important to stay aware of your surroundings while using the app. Once you have signed into the app, you will be prompted to select your hardware configuration. Please select the handheld configuration. You will then need to do a device calibration to complete your setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate your device. Align 1 point at close range and 1 point further away. It is easiest to do this step while still indoors. We recommend recalibrating your device once a month to ensure continued accuracy. This section will go over Bluetooth pairing your mobile device with the receiver. Make sure your HPS2 is switched on and tap the Bluetooth icon in the configuration dialog. For iOS devices, you should both pair and connect to your DA2 receiver from the Bluetooth settings page, and then return to the SiteVision app. For Android devices, you should pair with your DA2 receiver from the Bluetooth settings page, and then return to the SiteVision app. Once you have returned to the app, wait for a few seconds and the receiver will automatically connect. When your device has successfully Bluetooth paired with the receiver, you will see that the round blue light on the underside of the receiver stops flashing. You have now completed the setup process and you are ready to take your HPS2 into the field. This is the end of this Trimble SiteVision tutorial. You can find more videos about Trimble SiteVision on our YouTube channel.